Today, I am going to make this salad. I feel like eating some chicken salad today. After all, summer is coming. It's coming. I can feel it. And I want to fit into my bikini. That's right. So let's get this salad started. Here I already have my chicken hanging in a marinade. I marinated it earlier. I am going to add some salt and some chipotle chili pepper. Of course, ground pepper. Some olive oil. Also, I'm going to use some zesty Italian dressing. And there is the marinade for my chicken. Yum! It's going to be good. It's going to be good. These are skinless, boneless chicken thigh meat. Today I'm going to broil my meat. I use this oven all the time. Alright, and in they go. So while my chicken is cooking over there, it is time to make the salad dressing. So today I'm going to make ranch salad dressing. It's so easy. Let's do this. So first I need about half a cup of sour cream. And then I'm going to add some light mayo. About this much. Some onion powder. Like that much. And then some garlic powder. About that much. Chipotle chili pepper. There. Some parsley flakes. I'm not sure how much. So some crushed pepper, of course. Some salt. My green onion. Some white wine vinegar. And some buttermilk. And then it's time to mix it. And then it's time to taste it. Ooh, that is good. And my salad dressing is all done. So now I'm going to cover it up with a plastic wrap and let it get happy for a while. And there's my chicken. It smells so good. And then it's time to chop the veggies. is chop my chicken and put my salad together. It's gonna be so good. And here's my bird, and here's my salad dressing. So first, I'm going to add my romaine lettuce. And then it's time for the salad dressing. And mix it up. There. That looks so good. And then I am ready to fill up my plate. And then it's time to add my chicken. And couple tomatoes for decoration. And some more crushed pepper. And a little bit more salt. And here is my chicken salad. And I cannot wait to taste it. It looks so good. Let's taste. I can't believe I got my salad done already. That was fast and fun. So I hope my salad is going to be good. Alright, so let's taste. I am hungry. I could eat this stuff every day. I am very happy with this lunch. So thank you for watching and liking. Remember to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye! And thumbs up would be so sweet.